Hi, I'm Justin Barg, Sustainability Solutions Lead at Spraying Systems Company, and I'm standing in no other than Yosemite Valley, one of nature's most dramatic examples of water, its power and its intensity. This valley is known for its granite peaks, cascading waterfalls, and winding river below, and all formed by water, not directly through force, but through patience, precision, and unyielding consistency. Water has formed this remarkable landscape. Yosemite is home to some of North America's tallest waterfalls, yet it operates with remarkable balance. Every drop that falls from the cliffs, like the one you see behind me, ends up in the Merced River. This river nourishes the valley floor and supports a diverse ecosystem, making it home to one of the most traveled and beloved landscapes in the entire world. Here on the sustainability team at Spraying Systems, we work with industrial customers to deliver the same balance in their operations. Despite water's ability to shape and sustain the world around us, it is one of the most taken for granted resources. The truth is, industrial processes use far more water than they need to. Not by design, but because water efficiency is rarely treated as a priority. And in a world where fresh water is becoming increasingly scarce, this has to change. Yosemite has endured for millions of years. That's because nature doesn't waste what it can't afford to lose. So, standing here, surrounded by all of this, I keep coming back to a simple question. If nature can show us over millions of years how to use water efficiently, why are we struggling to follow its lead? This Earth Day, I encourage you to reflect upon that question and then ask yourself, am I doing everything I can in my life to help make every drop count?